We are on our very last letter. When we were at school, we started learning all the letters, and then I kept teaching you them from my home, and we're on the last letter. Guess what it is? It's the very last letter of the alphabet also. It's the letter Z. There it is. So, do you know how many letters you've learned? Let's count. You know, count all the letters in the alphabet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 letters in the entire alphabet, and you're about to learn the 26th letter. Okay, so the Z says, every letter makes a sound. The Z says, z, z, z. What can you think of that starts with Z? Zebra.
Zebra.
Zipper.
Zipper.
Zoo.
Zoo. And z, z, z.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Zoom. Okay, so get your paper and your pen. Okay, we're going to practice doing a Z. So Mila, you do yours. I'm going to go mine up a little up close so my friends can see. Okay, so you go at the top, you go straight across. Just a straight across. Then you go down, but to the side a little bit. To the side. Then you go back across just how you did the first line. So it's 3 lines. 1, sideways down, 2, and 3. And then here's a lowercase. It's the same thing, only smaller. Across, to the side, across. Z. Okay. Oh, Mila, what did you make?
I did
Show
my
them.
letter Z's, and then I did a zigzag. Zigzag.
I'm drawing zoo. So in a zoo, the animals can't get out, right? So they lock them up. There's my zoo. Z is for zoo. Z is also for the word Zoom. And I think you guys might know this song. We're going to sing it with us.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship.
Ready to blast off into space?
Blast off.
Okay.
Thank you.
Zoom, zoom, we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have one song.
Let's go! Zoom, we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, we're going to the moon. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have one
We're
song.
blast off into space. All right. Thanks for singing with us. All right. So Mila.
What?
Mila loves to draw. Can you show my friends how to make a zebra out of making the letter Z? Okay, so you're going to tell them really slow and step by step, right?
Yes.
So the next part of the video, when you watch it, if you need to stop, just hit pause or ask your mom and dad to pause it so you can go nice and slow. And if you mess up, that's okay. You just use a pencil so you can erase it, okay? So this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, Mila, we're ready to learn from you.
Hey guys, I'm back. I got a little piece of paper because it's only going to be the head of the zebra. And I got a Sharpie. You can just use a pencil. And anyways, let's get started. Put your the cap on your marker, or you just have a pencil. So first, draw a Z like that. A big Z. Then you're going to add eyes to the Z. Like that. And then do the eyes however you want. I'm going to do them like this. Is that good? And then I'm going to do the sides of the head. That. And the other side. And I'm going to do the hair. And color it in. Like that. Then I'm going to do the ears. You kind of like do a curve up, a curve down. Kind of like a curvy triangle. And then for some detail, you can put a line like that. And same thing on the other side. That. Then we're going to do the nose. Big nose. It's kind of like the shape of a watermelon, like that. Then you can do the nostrils. And then do the stripes. You do two here. And two here. One here. And two here. And that's pretty much it. But before I end this, I'm gonna write Z is for zebra. Like that. Hope you had fun. Bye.
Hi, friends. Okay, so today I wanted to teach you about matter and the different states of matter. So you're probably thinking, what is matter? Do you know what matter is, Mila?
No.
Okay, matter is what everything is made out of, and it comes in 3 different forms. So if something is a liquid, do you know what a liquid is?
Yes, it's something that you can see and that flows into any shape.
Right. So like water, you can pour it in something and it goes in, it moves, we can see water. Or like juice or milk or honey, something you can pour and it moves when you pour it. And what about another state of matter is like air or gas. We can't see it, it's in the air, right? But it's still there. What if I blow up a balloon? You can see the air going in the balloon because the balloon gets bigger, right? So what if I let the air out of the balloon? Can you see it?
No.
No, it just goes in the air, but it's still there. And another one is a solid. And a solid is something that you can, it's hard. What about ice? Ice is a solid, right? So I have something to show you guys. Yeah, a solid doesn't change its shape. Like rocks are a solid. Okay, so I have 3 gloves. So here's one. Does it change its shape? Is it changing its shape? It is. See, I made it into a ball now. It's changing, but can you see what's in there? No, it's air. I just blew up the glove with air. So this is a gas, air, or if something is evaporating. Okay, so that's one state of matter, air. And then For this one, I filled it with water. I poured water in here. Can you see the water in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show them really
it makes
close.
it like a darker blue.
You can see there's like some bubbles. If you move it around, you can see the water.
It's like a water balloon.
It's like a water balloon shaped as a glove. Okay. Okay. And then the last one, I put it in the freezer overnight. And it's hard. Can I change its shape? Can I bend it?
Wow.
I can
no,
probably
that's
break
so
it if I did
cool.
it really hard, but I can't change it. It's frozen. It's frozen hard. I can't move it. This, I'm actually gonna cut it. Let's cut it out just so you can see it even better in the glove shape. Let me see, how am I gonna do this? Oh, my scissors aren't working very well. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna pull off the glove so you can see the ice cube hand.
It's gonna be a sculpture. You can
Mhm.
keep it.
Look at that.
Wow!
So this
It's
is a solid,
sculpture, and
right?
it's
So
slow.
can
So
I make this solid back into a liquid?
Yes.
How?
If you put it into water, it will melt.
Yeah,
back
if I
into
leave
water.
it out in the sun, it'll melt and it'll turn, see, it's dripping. See? It'll turn back to a liquid. So you can change some, if it's made out of a liquid, you can change it to a solid. So that looks pretty cool, huh? Okay. Then, I wanted to show you another thing. So like a liquid, here's some water, can change its shape. What shape is it in right now?
A cylinder.
A cylinder. So the water took the shape of this cup, this glass that it's in. But if I pour it, now, is the water a cylinder shape? No, this container is actually a square. So it changed into a square shape because it's liquid. You can move it. So there's different kinds of matter. Oh, and by the way, if I put this outside with just a tiny bit of water, and today's gonna be really hot, if I put it out in the sun and the heat, and I put just a tiny bit, I don't know if it would take a day or 2 days, but the water will disappear. It'll evaporate into the air, and you can't see it go into the air, but the sun makes it evaporate. Okay, so I thought that was a fun activity that you guys are learning about matter. So what are the three
This
states?
one's the coolest.
She likes the frozen hand. So what are the three states of matter?
Gas.
Gas.
Which is this.
Which is air, or it can be like steam. If you're boiling something on a pot and you see the steam rise, at first you see it come up, but then it disappears into the air.
Liquid.
So
Which
air,
is the water balloon hand.
liquid, and solid.
So cool.
All right, have fun. Oh, one activity you can do. So ask your mom or dad. You can get a container like this. Put a little tiny toy in there. And then put it in the freezer. Then you can add more water and another toy or two. Put it back in the freezer. This might take all day, so it might be an activity you could do the next day. But
Yeah.
then you could take it out of the container and see how you can scrape the solid away or melt it. Like maybe you can get a penny and keep twisting, and see how you can scrape it and be like an excavator and get the toy out of the ice. That might be fun to do outside, especially because it's hot, right? Okay, thanks for doing some science with us. Hi friends, I'm in my backyard because I wanted to show you my giant sunflower plants. Look how tall they are, and I'm excited because they're gonna bloom soon. I still have a little bit longer till they bloom, but if I take you a little closer, oh my goodness, look, they go way over my head. But if I bring them down a little bit and show you, that's where that one's gonna bloom. And this one looks like it's almost ready. Pretty soon that right there is going to turn into a sunflower. And I can't wait to see them. They've been growing for a long time. All right, well, I thought that was pretty cool, so I just wanted to show you some flowers in my garden.